right, so you're not quite ready to go and practice this on your own. So let's go ahead and take a look at another example that has maybe a few more steps to it, and we'll just take it step by step, and then we'll get you practicing. So again, we start with parentheses. We always start with parentheses, brackets, and braces. And so we come here and we say, okay, we have our parentheses here. So let's take a look inside, and inside is this mini problem where we go through the order of operations yet again. So if we take a look here, we don't have any parentheses inside of our parentheses, we don't have any exponents, but we have multiplication and division. So we're going to start with our multiplication. So we say 12 times 3 is 36, and we drop everything else down. Again, it's a good habit to do this so that you don't lose any information and you can kind of keep yourself organized. All right, so now inside these parentheses, we need to finish it off by saying 36 minus 2, which is 34. Again, drop everything else down. There we go. All right, so now we're done with our parentheses. So now let's look for exponents and roots. And here's an exponent right here. So we say 3 to the third power is 27, which is the same as saying 3 times 3 times 3. So 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27. Okay, we drop everything else down, even this negative here. Drop this, 34 and 5. And now we're done with our exponents and roots. And so we come down a little bit further, and now we have multiplication and division, which again we do from left to right. And so we come up here and we take a look and say, okay, here's our multiplication. Whenever you have a number next to a set of parentheses, you always want to multiply. And so we say 34 times 5 is 5 times 4 is 20, carry the 2, and 3 times 5 is 15, plus 2 is 17. So we have 170 minus 27 plus 9. Okay, so we look for other forms of multiplication and division, which we don't have. We just have a subtraction and an addition. And so then we go to our final step here of adding and subtracting. And so again, we go from left to right. And so we say, okay, 170 minus 27. So we have, this becomes a 6. We borrow. This becomes 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. 6 minus 2 is 4. And drop down the 1. And so we get 143 plus 9. And then to finish it off, we say 143 plus 9 is 2. Carry the 1, 5, 1. So it's 152. All right, so now what I want you to do is go ahead and go to the practice, which is the next video. Now that you've seen this example, go ahead and click on the screen and you'll be directed to your first practice problem.